Hello, my name is Allison Piazza, and I'm a clinical medical librarian at the Samuel J. Wood Library. In this video, I'll talk about the foundation of an evidence synthesis project, the protocol.
By the end of this video, you'll learn how to articulate the importance of writing a protocol, describe what information goes into a protocol, and distinguish between your and the librarian's role in developing and publishing your review protocol.
What is a protocol? Like any well-designed research study, a systematic review evidence synthesis should begin with the development of a protocol. A protocol is a detailed description of the rationale, objectives, and methods of the review. Systematic review standards, best practices, and guidelines such as PRISMA, the Cochrane Handbook, and the National Academies of Sciences all require or recommend registering a protocol before performing a systematic review. Some journals require a systematic review have a registered protocol in order to be accepted for publication. Why is a protocol important? One of the key features of an evidence synthesis project are that its processes and criteria are predefined. Writing a protocol ensures that what is planned is explicitly documented before the review starts. This way, the team doesn't change their hypothesis to suit their findings. A protocol helps promote consistent conduct by the review team, holds them accountable for their work, aids research integrity, and by making it publicly available, provides transparency between the plan and the eventual completed review. In addition, because evidence synthesis projects can take a long time to complete, the protocol is a roadmap to help keep the review team on track. What information should be in a protocol? Your protocol is a plan for the entire review process, from administrative information such as the team members and any conflict of interest through to dissemination plans. PRISMA has a checklist just for protocols, PRISMA P, that outlines everything that should be included in your protocol. Any deviations from your protocol should be addressed in the final manuscript.
Your protocol should not be generic text. Rather, it should be specific to your review question. At minimum, a protocol should provide explicit information on review team members, funding sources or COI, review question and background, PICO or other question formulation framework, inclusion-exclusion criteria, searches, study selection, data extraction, risk of bias assessment, and strategy for data synthesis.
Your completed protocol should be made publicly available/registered as early in the process as possible. Best practice recommends registering a protocol before the team begins screening results. Prospero, for example, will not accept a protocol if data extraction has begun. There are several outlets for making a protocol publicly available, although not all outlets are appropriate for all reviews. For systematic reviews, they should be registered with Prospero. For scoping reviews, we recommend Open Science Framework, OSF. Minimum requirements for a protocol to be considered registered are that it is freely and publicly available, accessible via a stable and unique URL, and publicly provides history of edits or versioning. The URL must then be made available in the review's final manuscript. For Wood Library review collaborations, the team is responsible for writing the protocol, and the librarian is responsible for registering or publishing it once it is finalized. If you have any questions about the content of this video, please consult the readings and resources in this module or ask your librarian. Thank you.